welcome to my channel. So before starting with the video, do subscribe my channel. So today I present to you yet another DIY video in which we will be making lamp out of craft wire, beads, wool and fairy lights. So let's get started. So these are the craft wires that I'm going to use for making lamp. You can find them at any stationery shop or craft shop near you. I have taken out two from them and I'm going to make two circles of equal size. This is how you are going to make circles from these craft wires. One circle will be the top and other will be the base of the lamp. So now you are going to attach both the circles vertically with craft wires. This is how it will look after you attach both the circles vertically with craft wires. So these are the beads which I am going to use for making handle of my lamp. And take another craft wire, put beads into that wire and then attach it with your lamp. So now it's time to use wool, and first step will be to cover the base with wool by just randomly connecting the dots. So now it's time to use rest of the wool for decorating our lamp. So you got to do what I am doing. Take a bunch of wool and tie that on your lamp. In this way you can tie as many as you want. I'll be using this bunch of wool that we are using for decorating lamp in my next video also, so stay tuned. This is how it looks. Now put fairy lights into your lamp. Switch it on and your lamp is ready. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching and do subscribe my channel.
Like a real love, but it goes so fast all time.